gon' safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart beat.
What's going on, guys? My name is Fleeky and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I just want to take it nice and chill, and I want to do my natural hair tag. This tag was created by KIMBERLYCHERRELL. She's also a natural hair YouTuber here, and so yeah. So shout out to KIMBERLYCHERRELL for this tag, and I'm just gonna be reading it off my phone. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first one is let them know your hair type. I'm not 100% sure what it is. I'm gonna assume that it's 4B. Everybody's hair type is pretty much different on different types of different places of their head, but I'm gonna go ahead and say 4B, but you can go ahead and check out my other videos and you let me know what you think my hair type is. The next one is, who is your current hair inspiration? There's a lot of different people who are my hair inspirations on YouTube for different reasons. I would definitely say Glam Twins, simply just for the sake of like the length and the fullness that they have. Definitely the Glam Twins. KIMBERLYCHERRELL is also hair inspiration. I love the way that she does her hair. Who else do I watch on here? Chizzy Duru. She's a 4C girl and she really puts in so much effort into her hair and it comes out looking bomb every single time. So a whole bunch of people are my hair inspirations here on YouTube. The next one is, are you high porosity or low porosity? So I actually have a video on this, so I'm just going to put it in the eye right above here so you can go check it out, but I'm medium to low porosity. The next one, deep conditioners, thick or slippery? Definitely thick. My hair is very thick and so I need a thick deep conditioner to combat that thickness as well. So slippery deep conditioners are like for co-washing for me. I can't do slippery deep conditioners. They definitely have to be thick. My favorite right now is the Aunt Jackie's In Control. Definitely go check that out. I have a video on that as well. So that's my favorite deep conditioner right now. Twist out or braid out? So I haven't tried a braid out on my natural hair, but I think I prefer twist outs, just for the sake of like braid outs can give you more frizz, but apparently they give you a little bit more stretch and they give you more definition as well. But I think because my natural hair right now is just so short, the twist out kind of just gives it a better look. So I'm gonna say twist out. Next one is wash and go or rod set. So I haven't done a rod set yet. There's a lot of things I haven't done, so video ideas, hello, thank you very much. I haven't done a rod set yet. I have attempted a wash and go that was literally came out so bad. I was like, YouTube don't need to see this wash and go. This is a wash and no, okay? I'm gonna have to say rod set just for the sake of the fact that the wash and go did me wrong. So I'm pretty sure with rod sets too, your hair is gonna be a little bit more stretched than wash and goes. So rod set. So the next one is perm rod set or flexi rod set. Haven't done either. Let me know down below if you have tried perm rods or flexi rods and which one you would recommend. I see a lot more people using flexi rods than perm rods, but let me know. Comment down below and let me know which one you prefer and which one you think I should do. Okay, the next one is shower or sink. Now this is so funny because I always see people like talking about how they wash their hair in the sink and I'm like, what sink are you using? Like, I simply just don't have a sink that big and I feel pretty uncomfortable washing my hair in the kitchen sink because it's like hair clogging up your kitchen sink where you like do your dishes and stuff. That's weird. That's weird to me personally. No judgment if you do, but I'm just saying for me, it's a no. So it's definitely shower, but I must say that it's annoying sometimes when you're in the shower and like pieces of your hair is just like on your skin and like everywhere, and then you have the shampoo and the conditioners. Like, it's just annoying. I must say it's a little bit annoying in the shower. So maybe if I had like a laundry sink tub thing that was really big, then maybe I would try it in the sink. But shower is just easier. You just wash your hair and then take a shower after. It's like a 2-in-1 combo, so I'm definitely saying shower. The next one is air dry or diffuse. So most people who I see using a diffuser have a certain curl type, and so I don't see myself using a diffuser. I haven't used one yet, but ever since I started my healthy hair journey, being relaxed, being curly, I've always air dried my hair. So I definitely say air dry, but I'm not anti-diffuser. I might try it one day, but I just feel like I have this vision in my head of like these people with like these long, you know, bouncy curls, and then they're just using the diffuser and it just works for them. I don't know. I'll try it one day. We'll see. The next one is Fleeky Edges, or As They Are. So in my what is it called? So in my passion twist tutorial, I actually was talking about doing the front of your hair and the way that I personally like it. When I'm doing protective styles like twists or anything like that, I do prefer to leave my edges out just for the sake of like, we want to have edges when we come out of the style, right? We're trying to be holistic here. We're trying to be together. We're trying to have everything intact. We're trying to protect the edges, protect the hair strands, protect the ends, protect the top, everywhere. So the edges stay out when I'm doing protective styling, but when I'm doing like a sleek bun or anything pulled back, I definitely prefer my edges to be like, you know, laid down with gel and edge control and stuff like that, because if you're going with a sleek style, you can't have fuzzy edges. I mean, you can, but it's just not the same. So protective styling, as they are, sleek hairstyle, fleeky. The next one is deep conditioners or oils. This is so hard because I kind of feel like you need both, but if I had to choose, I would definitely say deep conditioners. There's just something about when you deep condition your hair, you just marinate your hair in the deep conditioner. It comes out so amazing after. So if I had to choose, I would choose deep conditioners, but oils are like so instrumental in your hair journey, and it just locks all the moisture in and everything like that. So let me know, are you a deep conditioner person? Are you an oil person? I'm gonna try a hot oil treatment too, so look out for that. Okay, the next one is high bun or low bun. Let's be honest, my hair can't fit into any kind of bun right now. High, low, mid, side, any of that, okay? But when or if my hair gets longer, I personally prefer a high bun. I always feel like people always compliment me when I have lower buns, but high buns, I just like to see my hair. I just like to look in the mirror and see something there. I don't like to look bald, you know? But I think there's a time and place for low buns, but I prefer high buns. Next one is Bantu knots or finger coils. I've never tried finger coils before, but just looking on other people's hair and things I've seen, I like Bantu knots. I like the curl pattern. I like the diversity of what you can do, so I'm gonna say Bantu knots for that. Protective styles in the summer or winter. Okay, so I live in Toronto, Canada. It's cold, it gets cold, it's cold right now. I mean, it's not that bad today, but it gets really, really cold here. So in the winter, that's when the protective styling comes out. It's like hashtag protective style season. So in the winter time, everybody knows the cold can really, really damage your hair. It really dries your hair out, and there's almost like nothing you can do to put the moisture back in, because as soon as you go outside, it's like, it just takes all the moisture out. So definitely, because of my environment, protective styles in the winter. And I think in the summer you can, you know, have more fun with your hair. You can air dry it, you can wash and go, you can do whatever you want. But in the winter time, we hibernate our hair just like how we hibernate in our homes. All right, the next one is bonnets or scarves. I can't choose. I have to say both, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to cheat on this one. Because scarves are instrumental for laying the edges, right? You put your edge control on, you put your gel on, you take your scarf, and you tie that down for a good 10 to 20 minutes, and your edges are fleeky. But when you're sleeping, you need a bonnet. You need a bonnet because it just covers everything. So I can't choose bonnet or scarf. I have to choose both. I have to choose both. Wide tooth comb or detangling brush. I'm a sucker for a wide tooth comb personally. I'm gonna get the Tangle Teaser. It's a big thing everyone's trying right now. I'm gonna try a detangling brush, but a wide tooth comb, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just because I'm used to it, but I definitely prefer a wide tooth comb. Finger detangling or brush. If we're talking like detangling brush or finger detangling, I would say finger detangling. But a brush, I don't know what you would be using the brush for, to detangle your hair. I don't know. Okay, finger detangling or brush, I'm gonna say finger detangling. It's just safer, like you can feel everything. It takes longer, but finger detangling is definitely more safe for your hair. T-shirt or microfiber towel. Oh, that's hard. I say t-shirt. Just for the sake of convenience, really. Everybody has some old t-shirts laying around. You just use your t-shirt. And I kind of feel like my microfiber towel, I mean, it's old now. I feel like my microfiber towel doesn't soak up the water as much. So I'm gonna say t-shirt. And you don't have to spend extra money on a microfiber towel. Just get an old t-shirt and you're good. Okay, gel versus no gel. It depends on what you're using it for. For a wash and go, yes. for just like everyday use, no, I don't think it's that necessary. It depends on the kind of look that you're going for, but for the most part, I would say no, not for everyday use. Length or health, this one is a no-brainer. Health over length all day. And I learned that the hard way. Before I was on my hair journey, I straightened my hair all the time. It was just bad because I just wanted it to be longer. But realistically, when I went for health, the length followed right after. So I gotta go with health. Side part or middle part? Side part all day. Look, my hair's in a side situation right now. Side part. The last one is plastic cap or plastic bag. I just use my shower cap, to be honest. Plastic bags are good because you can use them, like everybody has a plastic bag, but I just go with my shower cap, plastic cap. Alright, that pretty much wraps it up. So thank you so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know what your preferences are. And that's about it. I'll see you in the next one.